Hello and welcome to today's Photoshop tutorial. In this video, we'll be discussing how to remove the background from a photo using Photoshop. Step 1. Open image in Photoshop. The first step is to open the image you want to edit in Photoshop. You can do this by clicking File and selecting Open, or using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+O. Step 2. Select Magic Wand tool. Once the image is open, select the Magic Wand tool from the toolbar on the left side of the screen. This tool is useful for automatically selecting areas with similar colors. Step 3. Select Background area. With the Magic Wand tool selected, click on the background area you want to remove. If there are other areas that are not selected, you can adjust the Magic Wand tool settings or use the lasso tool to complete the selection. Step 4. Remove background. Once the background area is selected, press the Delete key on your keyboard or right-click on the selected area and select Cut. The background will be removed and replaced with a transparent checkered box. Step 5. Save image. Lastly, save your image as a separate file or in a format with a transparent layer so it can be used for future projects. That's how to remove the background from a photo using Photoshop. We hope this tutorial was helpful and has given you the tools you need to edit your photos. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you found it useful. See you in the next tutorial.